Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can fix couldn't send message on Messenger. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys right here, this is how the error looks like. So basically guys, once you're here in the conversation and you're trying to send a message, you're going to have this red message that says couldn't send message. So right now we're going to go to Messenger. And as you can see, guys, this is how the homepage looks like. So basically, if you have this problem, that means there is one of two possibilities. So one reason is maybe you don't have internet connection. And the second reason is maybe you don't have enough storage on your phone. So firstly, go ahead and check your internet connection. Make sure that you are connected to internet. And then if you still have this problem, just go ahead and search for settings on your phone. Then go ahead and search for applications or apps. Then once you're here, you're going to find the list that includes all of the installed applications on your phone. Go ahead and scroll down in this list until you find Messenger. So once you find Messenger, just go ahead and click on it. Then you're going to be right here in this page. So basically, guys, right here, you're going to find all of the settings related to Messenger. So right now, I'm going to scroll a little bit down. Right here, you're going to find under usage, you're going to find mobile data, battery, and storage. Go ahead and click on storage. Then here in the bottom, you're going to find clear cache. Go ahead and click on it. And then go back to Messenger. Then it should be working fine. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.